Next program is to find the sum and average of 5 numbers. To find the sum, we done already. Now for average, what is the meaning of average? Means total number of items sum of numbers, total numbers divided by number of terms. Clear? So first of all, we will start the flowchart using start symbol. Then inputs we will write in a parallelogram, input output box. And now we have to take two process box. Why? Because we want to calculate the sum and average also. You want to perform two operations. So sum in one process box and second average. Sum same as previous and average is equal to sum which you will calculate it. Which you will calculate is divided by the number of terms, total number of elements 5. Clear? This is the average formula. Next, print sum comma average. We will print both values using this box, input output box, and then stop. Clear? Suppose sum last we calculated 150. Now average will come 150 with divided by 5. So 5 3s are 15 and then 30 will answer. Okay, 30 answer will come. Next, draw a flowchart to find the area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Clear? So just write the formula in a process box and then print the area. Take two inputs, length and breadth, and area variable. Clear? Next, draw a flowchart to find the area of square. What is the formula of area of square? Side into side. You can take any variable also, a into a, otherwise you can write side into side. Clear? So first start and we will take inputs, side and the area variable. So area is equal to side into side, then we will print area. Clear? Next is draw a flowchart to find the year is a leap or not. When we will say the year is leap, when year is divided with 4, proper divided with 4 is called leap year, otherwise not. So how you can make flowchart? Start symbol, input year, just one variable we will take, and using condition statement we will check now. If year modulus 4 is equal to 0, if remainder will come 0, when you will divide the value of year with 4 and remainder will come 0. If yes, then year is a leap. If properly not divisible. If no, then print year is not leap. Suppose you have taken the value of year. Now which year is going on? Last year is 2020. First of all, we will take 2020. Year is 2020. Divide this year with 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So this year full properly divided with 4. Remainder is a 0. So this is a leap year. If you will give the value of year is 2021, current year. When 2021 is divided with the 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20, then the decimal answer will come, not a proper answer will come. So this is not a leap year. So I want to say that 2021 is not a leap year or 2020 is a leap year, because 2020 is properly divisible with 4 and remainder will come 0, and 2021 is not properly divisible with 4 and remainder will not come 0. That's why. So now next flowchart to find number is even or odd. Same thing, even or odd. When number is even, when properly divisible with the 2 and remainder is 0, then even, otherwise odd. Clear? Next is the flowchart to find the board mass. Okay, board mass proper. What is the full form of board mass? Okay, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first of all, we will solve the brackets. Okay, then division, multiplication, or then addition and then subtraction. So start symbol, input 5 variables. You can take 3 also, but 5 are sufficient for the board mass operations. F, total 6 variables are there. In F we will store the value. So F is equal to A divide with B multiply with C plus D minus E. So print F. So suppose you have the value of A 20, B is 4 and C is equal to 2, D is equal to 1, E is equal to 1. So how this will calculate it? 20 divisible with 4 and into 2 plus 1 plus minus 1. Clear? When you will divide 20 with 4, 25, 4 5s are 20, 5 will come into 2. 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 minus 1, 10. So this answer will come. Clear? Next, the second last flowchart to find the perimeter of a sphere. What is the formula of perimeter sphere? 4 into side. Okay, area of sphere, side into side, perimeter 4 into side. Where you written in previous program is side into side, just write here 4 into side, and instead of area write here perimeter. Okay, other side is also same. Next, draw a flowchart to find the perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter formula of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. Clear? Firstly we written here L into B, the area of rectangle. Now change with the perimeter. Where you written area, write down perimeter and change the formula just. Next is the flowchart to find a simple interest. Okay, when you will give some amount to anyone and he will pay interest for this amount also when he will give back to you, so this is called simple interest. Start this, and input we will take. How you can calculate the simple interest? P into R into T. In maths you done, divided by 100. P means principal, R means repo rate, okay, rate of interest, and then T is the time, divided by 100. Same way we will do in this. Input, take 3 variables, and SI will use to store the value. Okay, result. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Same formula, and we want to print using this input output box. We will print SI, then stop. So this is all about the flowchart. Okay, how you can make flowchart. These total 16 flowcharts are there. Clear?